Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Bitcoin. We'll start by understanding what USD is and why it's a popular stablecoin in the crypto world. Then, I'll guide you through the simple process of acquiring it, covering everything from setting up your account to completing your first purchase. You'll learn how to leverage USD for trading and maintaining stability in your digital asset portfolio, making your crypto journey smoother and more secure. First, you'll need to set up your Bitcoin wallet. This involves creating an account and completing a quick verification process to ensure security. Once your account is ready, you'll select your desired fiat currency, perhaps US dollars or euros, which you'll use for the purchase. Then, choose a payment method that suits you best, whether it's a credit card for instant transactions or a bank transfer for larger amounts. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use. Now, let's complete your USD purchase. Head over to the Buy section within your Bitcoin wallet. Here, you'll specify the exact amount of USD you want to acquire. For example, you might choose to buy 100 USD. The platform will display the equivalent cost in your chosen fiat currency. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the amount and fees, before confirming your purchase. With just a few clicks, your USD will be on its way to your wallet. After your purchase, your new USD balance will appear in your Bitcoin wallet almost instantly. From there, you have several options for managing your stablecoin. You can easily send USD to another wallet, receive it from others, or even swap it for other cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Remember, your assets are protected by robust security measures, including two-factor authentication. Always keep your recovery phrase safe, and never share it with anyone to ensure your funds remain secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.